I don't think you guys will ever see a cleaner 91 Camaro Z28 cleaner than this one. Came by the shop today. We did a little weld up on it. It's just really clean. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. It's okay. I'll show you the back of it. There's a Z28 motor. Beautiful car. Really mint clean. Interior is amazing. It's like it's never been sat in. Very hard to find a clean one like this. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. It's got a full manifold MAGNAFLOW system on it. Exhaust system all the way back. He brought it and we fixed a couple of things on it for him. Really nice. I'll let you guys hear it today. And it is a 25th anniversary too. There's the MAGNAFLOW system on it. Sounds mean. MAGNAFLOW gives it a really classy sound. There it is, that item. Hope you guys like it. No. 91 Camaro Z28.